Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming which user profile and save you will erase. Do this now so you don't lose the wrong game. Once confirmed, back up any screenshots, transfers, or piquet ball plus content you want to keep. Those are not recoverable after deletion. Make sure the switch has plenty of battery or is docked. Interrupted processes can cause corruption. Now open Pokémon, let's go and prepare to access the in-game save options. This starts the actual removal procedure. You navigate the in-game menu and head straight to Options or System Settings. That's where the delete controls live. Once inside, select Delete Save Data and pause. Read each prompt aloud to yourself so you understand which file is targeted. When asked, choose the specific profile or save slot. The game often distinguishes between user data and system-linked items. Confirm the deletion only after you're certain. This step removes core progress, so it's meant to be final. There's no automatic undo. You finish by waiting for the process to complete fully. Do not close the game, suspend the console, or power off mid-delete because that risks corruption. Once the screen confirms deletion, restart Pokémon Let's Go to verify the save is gone. If the delete hangs or the file seems corrupted, reboot the switch and repeat the deletion steps from the game. If problems persist, check System Save Data Management to remove linked files or contact Nintendo support for recovery options. That troubleshooting path solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.